In front of me is ZTE Blade V50, and today I would like to show you where you can find all your downloads. Begin by opening an app called File Manager and selecting Category at the bottom left corner. Now just click on Downloads right next to Favorites and click on Downloads one more time. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, click on it, pick the best source and select just once or always. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!